Are you dealing with self-doubt right now? Fear, uncertainty? You want to build a big life, but you're not confident in yourself. I'm about to give you the 7 steps that will build unshakable confidence, but only if you actually do them. So grab a pen and paper and write this down. Here's what kills confidence. You make promises to yourself and you break them. You say you're gonna wake up at 5 a.m., but you hit the snooze. You say you're going to go to the gym, but you make excuses. Death by 1,000 paper cuts. You stop trusting yourself. Step 1, stop caring what others think. Your stories is yours to write. Step 2, keep every promise you make to yourself, every single one. Step 3, remove negative habits immediately. Find out what's keeping you stuck. Eliminate it today. Now, step 4, take massive action daily. Don't think about it, just move. Now, step 5, constantly improve yourself. Read books, train your body, build your mind. Step 6, stop comparing yourself to others. It's you versus you. Now, step 7, focus on who you want to become, not who you were, who you're becoming. There's a difference here. I went from weighing 145 pounds, addicted to drugs, to now being 205 pounds of pure muscle and becoming a top coach in a 9-figure company. Same person? Absolutely not. I killed the old me and built someone new, someone confident, someone who shows up regardless of how I feel. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build through action. If you want the complete system I used to build bulletproof confidence and dominate in sales, pull out your phone, text me, 480-989-4133. Now, if you want a more in-depth video on all 7 of these steps and how I use them to recreate my life, comment the word recreation below and turn your notification bells on so you know once that video is posted. I got your back for life.